Welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to be showing you how to use free internet with Zamtel on So what you need for this is an Android phone, any Android phone actually, and actually you have you have to also download an app called Anonitune. So when you download the app on App Store, and then open it. So once you open up the app, what will basically appear is face. Wait for it. My phone is a little bit slow. Yeah. So once it opens up, the first thing you have to go to is to the stealth settings. Yeah, just right here at the corner. Like, what you have to do here is on the you have to turn this on, and connection protocol. You have to turn the connection protocol to hypertext transfer protocol, and we're going to be using the connection port 80, and then we're also going to turn on the custom TS and HTTP headers. Yeah, so we turn that on, and then we have to go on edit custom TPs. Yeah. So from here, what you have to do first is you're going to edit out this URL uh, and put a custom URL. So the URL is apps.zamtel zamtel.co.zm // balance uh, / redirect redirect.php. Okay. So after putting in the custom URL, you have to turn on the font query. Wait, my phone is a little bit slow today. Yeah. So you have to turn on the font query, turn on, then the forward post, then keep alive, then online post. And then after you've correctly put all these, let's make sure that the custom URL is correct. app.zamtel.co.zm /balance/redirect.php, and then you have to go and validate, then generate. Then what's going to ask you is to save this custom URL, and then so our settings are saved, and then I think pretty much this sums up everything. Then we go and enjoy the free internet. So like I said when I just started, you have to connect to an internet. You have to use Zamtel. So if you're using broadband, you have to turn on your data. If you're using Wi-Fi that is connected to Zamtel, you have to turn on the Wi-Fi. So I'm connected to a Wi-Fi, and then click on connect. So it's going to ask you, do you trust this app? So you just have to trust it because it's giving us free internet. So yeah, so then for the first time it's going to take a bit of some time to connect, but afterwards it's connected. And then so basically here down here we're going to see TX and RX. So when you see these app numbers going up and down, it means that you're internet for free. So basically that's everything. So you can go and enjoy the internet right now. So I think I'll show you guys a sample. Like I can go on my Instagram, something. Wait, and then the other thing is that to be showing a lot of ads. So you just have to. For my phone, it's a bit slow, but we'll get there. So I think just to test out the internet, you can go on Instagram, right? Yeah. So and then you also have to make sure that right there on the top bar there's a key that she's showing. When you see that key, that means you are connected to the internet. So, like as you can see, this is my internet, and I'm now enjoying my free internet. So, hope you guys enjoyed my video, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have in the comment section, this is oh damn this, I love Instagram. So, yeah, as you can see, guys, this is working. This is 100% working. To say, is there anything left to say? Okay, I think this is freelancing YouTube channel, and we are.